Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The West Indies have been drawn to face England and Bangladesh at the group stage of the 2026 Men's T20 World Cup, to be hosted jointly by India and Sri Lanka in February and March. Jermaine Brown reports.
The draw for the 2026 T20 World Cup was carried out on Tuesday by world governing body the ICC, and will see West Indies, the 2012 and 2016 champions, facing England and Bangladesh, in addition to Nepal and Italy in Group C at the tournament. Meanwhile, co-host India have been drawn with arch rivals Pakistan, USA, Namibia and Netherlands in Group A. The other co-host, Sri Lanka, will face Australia, Ireland, Zimbabwe and Oman in Group B, while Group D will consist of New Zealand, South Africa, Afghanistan, Canada and UAE. The tournament will bowl off on February 7 with the marquee India-Pakistan fixture scheduled for February 15 at the Pramadasa Stadium in Colombo. The final will be played in Ahmedabad or Colombo on March 8, while the two semi-finals are set for Kolkata or Colombo on March 4 and Mumbai on March 5. If Pakistan qualifies for the semi-final and the final, those games will be in Colombo. The other venues for matches are Delhi and Chennai in India and Kandy in Sri Lanka. The format for the tournament is the same as the previous one in 2024 in the USA and the West Indies, where 20 teams were divided into 4 groups of 5. The group stage runs from February 7 to 20, with the top 2 teams advancing to the Super 8 stage. India are the defending champions, having beaten South Africa in the final of the 2024 tournament in Barbados. The West Indies were knocked out at the Super 8 stage of the last edition of the tournament. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.